In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a sleep timer on Spotify. So let's say you are listening to music and you feel you're going to sleep in some minutes to come. With you guys, I can set up a sleep timer. Very, very simple and easy. So now let's open the song I'm listening to, which is Bob Marley's No Man No Cry. So now let's try to set up a sleep timer. So it's very simple and easy if you're doing this on Spotify. So you can see a sleep timer there behind. Okay, so it's above the share option and the queue option, bottom right corner of your screen. You can see the arrow on your screen. Just tap on that. Good. And that's it. This is the most simplest way to do this. And you can see sleep timer in 5 minutes time, 10 minutes time, 15 minutes time, an hour or something like that, or the end of this track. Yeah. So let's set it to 10 minutes. Good. And it starts now. Yeah, so after 10 minutes, any song that is playing on this Spotify will need to stop because definitely I'm asleep by that time, something like that. So that's it on how you set up a sleep timer on Spotify. I have a tutorial on how you can do same on YouTube Music and the rest. You can check my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on music players online. So if you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.